If you're into really modified trucks and you love looking at eye candy like lifts and tires and stuff, I got one for you. Stay with us, we're gonna talk more about this new Nissan Titan I'm taking a look at. Hey, it's Tim Mr. Low, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. My passion is trucks and SUVs, and I got a really badass Titan to show you here. Today with us, I got a gentleman here from Rocky Ridge who's going to tell us all about this new Nissan Titan they're modifying. It's pretty damn cool.
Hi, I'm Michael Holly with Rocky Ridge Trucks. We're here to introduce the relationship between Nissan and Rocky Ridge Trucks. We are currently upfitting the Nissan Titan, the Armada, and the Frontier. The example we have here is a 2019 Nissan Titan that is currently upfitted with our Stealth package, which includes your upfitted Vengeance bumper, 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires on 20-inch wheels, Fender Flares, fixed lift step, and a spray-in bedliner. We also, on every Nissan truck, we upgrade the interior to Rocky Ridge Leather, and it comes standard with the Rocky Ridge Leather and the spray-in bedliner. We also offer an Altitude, which is a chrome package, and a K2, which is a blackout package similar to the Stealth. We can take the material that is essentially similar to bedliner material, we call it stealth coating, and we can stealth coat any component on the vehicle up to and including the entire vehicle. We can also do stealth coating in any color except for white. On top of the fixed step, we also offer a power amp electric step, which would bring the load floor, the load height of the vehicle, to approximately within 1 inch of a factory four-wheel drive. It is a full 8-inch load platform, anti-skid, and it allows people to put stuff in the truck, get in and out of the truck as if it were a factory height four-wheel drive truck. If we can get a shot of the interior and the leather, now standard with the Rocky Ridge embedded embroidered headrest. Leather, very high quality, and a very comfortable seat. Again, this particular truck is equipped with a fixed step that can be upgraded to the optional power amp step with an 8-inch load. Our Fender Flares have a proprietary patented attachment process which allows us to attach it without screwing into the metal. It does have screws into the plastic fender wells. Our units, much like the factory, when the factory builds a vehicle, it is VIN specific. In other words, forever the factory knows what options and what that truck has on it. Rocky Ridge trucks are the same. We know from the VIN specific what fender flares, what tires, what wheels, what bumpers, what we've done to this vehicle. So 5 or 6 years from now when the vehicle is wrecked or something happens to it, the body shop calls in, gives us the VIN, and we know which fender flares we sold them. If we can step to the back, again, 20s on 35s, 6-inch lift, fender flares. This is the spray-in bedliner material that, again, we take it's UV protected. It is not near as coarse as a standard spray-in bedliner, so it doesn't hold dirt. It basically, you can use it however you want to use it and spray it out, and it's going to look like it does now. It doesn't nick, it doesn't scratch, it doesn't flake, and to the best, we've been using it about 2 years now. It is holding up to the sunlight, particularly in our tougher markets as Florida and Texas. Now, we've taken this material and have adapted it to where we can spray any component on the vehicle all the way up to and including all of the vehicle in this Stealth material, which is called our Stealth XL 2.0. This Stealth material can be made up in any color except for white. We also do what's called a fade. We don't have one here at the show, so we're going to zoom in. This is a fade. That is a medium gray truck that fades to orange with a flat matte finish. That was originally only offered in that color. Today it is offered in almost 6, 7 colors, and we're developing more. White to silver, white to black, silver to black, blue to blue, a number of different configurations. We've even been asked to do pink Fender Flares on a white truck, okay? Again, 3 levels of trim currently offered on the Titan. The Altitude, which is chrome, the K2, which is the blackout, and then the Stealth, which is the blackout with the Vengeance bumper and the light package inside of the Vengeance bumper. This can be adapted. All of these vehicles have the option of having Stealth coated Fender Flares, Stealth coated grill, as well as, you know, additional components Stealth coated. Again, the fade paint can also be done in a glossy matte finish as opposed to the flat matte finish, which is our most popular. The Stealth coating is a very unique looking vehicle. This does increase production time. Our production time on a base Altitude or K2 is approximately 2 weeks, going up to 4 to 5 weeks on a fade paint or a Stealth coated vehicle, when the vehicle is basically almost disassembled, painted, and reassembled. We are a bailment pool unit for Nissan. Nissan gives us the truck, we upfit the truck, we sell the truck to the dealer upfitted. The dealer can sell somebody a truck off of his lot and ship it back to us and let us do it. About 250 Nissans on the ground ready to upfit today.
Man, this thing is badass. So thanks for watching today. Make sure you follow us on pickuptrucktalk.com. Also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's Pickup Truck Talk. Just type it in. You'll find it. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.